Hey guys, welcome back to another, today we're actually not building anything. I got a special package. In case you guys didn't know, I live out in the country right now, and the internet has been from wheat fields to cornfields. We only get one type of internet out here. That's either one, shitty satellite internet, or two, phone line internet. Who remembers that? And that special package has arrived. Do you guys know how long I've actually waited for this thing to come in and to be available for my area? Quite a long time. But the good news is, I no longer have to wait. So, without further ado, I kind of want to just jump into this. Alright guys, so for those people that don't know what Starlink is a low-orbiting satellite internet provider. Starlink was created by Elon Musk, and he created to where you can have internet anywhere in the world as long as you have the ability to power this with like 100 watts of power. And when I mean anywhere, you could be in the dead middle of the desert, but as long as you had a battery pack and you powered this on, you could have internet. So without further ado, I finally have mine, and I'm gonna open it up. Alright guys, so got my Starlink here. What we're gonna do is do a fun YouTube unboxing and testing. So, let's see what this looks like. I've not seen this yet. So, we've got our form. Nice. Looks like we have metal stand, which is great. Very sturdy. And this right here looks like the satellite dish in itself. So that's awesome. And it looks like the instructions on how to turn it on, which is 3 easy steps, which I'll go through in a second. Satellite out. It looks like, we'll take that cable off. Looks like my router, so I can get Wi-Fi. Cord plug for that. And I think this is a 100-foot cord for to set it wherever you like and have a good amount of distance, just in case you have to put it up a tree or something. Alright guys, now that I got everything out of the box, as you can see how simple this system actually is. All you have is a router, the satellite, power cable, and then the Ethernet cable that goes from the router to the satellite. And that's it. And an app on your phone. It couldn't be any easier than that. So the initial reason why I wanted the Starlink system is because I eventually want to move into the mountains and be able to have internet reliable internet when I need it. Where I live right now and where the bus resides, I do live in the country, which is just outside of town, so there's no fiber, there's no Comcast, there's one provider that we have, and it's phone line internet, which isn't the best. What I'm going to do now is I'm connected to the Wi-Fi that we have here at the house that I'm living, and I'm going to show you what actually is and how bad the internet is here. So if I go in and then I just go ahead and do a speed test on the Wi-Fi, you'll see that at most, or on a good day, I'm getting 13, maybe even 14 on the best days. this is where it gets really bad, is the upload speed. I barely get above 1 at all, which is insane. So now you can see that the internet that I have here is barely good enough to watch YouTube videos or watch Netflix or Disney Plus or whatever. When I upload these videos to YouTube, I have to go to a coffee shop or my job and upload them there because the internet here just can't handle it, or it just can't do it. So big reason why I wanted these two was just to have good internet while I'm living here, but when I move into the mountains I can get something a lot better. But to show you, let's go ahead and hook these things up and get it on the roof and see how much better it actually is. Alright guys, so we're gonna set this up, leave this right here. Since I'm at a house, I can just connect it to my power. I don't have to run it off my power battery bank. But when I'm in the mountains, I'm going to be able to do that as well. So all I have to do is plug this in to this power thing, which it's got like a ribbed seal around it, so it's pretty watertight, it looks like. So if it ever gets caught around like water, moisture, rain, what have you. So I'm going to do that and then find this one. This one goes into the satellite. This one goes into the router. I really like how it's thoughtfully designed. It's very sleek, very futuristic, but if I ever want my own router system, I can get the adapter and create a mesh system whenever I get like a house or build something, you know, later on. So before I plug this up, I want to get the satellite on the roof and this connected to it. So let's jump up top. Alright guys, now that I have the satellite up there, I just gotta feed this cable right here up through the hatch, and then we'll turn it on and see if it works. Alright, let's turn it on and see if it works. And like I said, since I have power here at the house, all I gotta do is plug it up and let it turn on and then open up the app. Alright guys, and as simple as that, set up a Wi-Fi network password, and it moved, did its thing, and now we just got to test it out and connect and make sure that we're getting some types of speeds. Now we do have a bunch of rain clouds, so it might affect the speed, but on a clear sunny day I will go back in and check and make sure. But let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so gonna go ahead and do a test run for the first time and see what kinds of speeds we're getting with this these storm clouds overhead right now. It says SpaceX Starlink, which is great. We're getting 80, looks like 80 down, which is still astronomically better than what I had in my little 14. Now upload is going to be the challenge and see what this actually does, but it looks like the upload's a little lackluster, I think because of the rain clouds. but let me just do it one more time just to give it some time. And apparently it needs a good day or so to really calibrate to get something like good. See, right there, it jumped up to almost 150, which is insane because I'm so used to just 14 here, which is crazy. 150, 145, that's amazing. Upload, look, jumping back up to 10. Way better than 1, that's for sure. And like I was saying before, guys, if you live somewhere where your internet's crap, or you live out in the middle of nowhere and there's no way you'll ever get internet out there, it's as simple as plugging it into power, plugging it to the satellite, and making sure you have a clear view of the sky and no obstructions. It comes with its own router. It literally is plug and play. There's not much else you have to do. And when you move, or you're in an RV or something, or like a bus like me, and you're traveling, unplug it, take it down, go your next stop, make sure you have this space available to do so, and have high-speed internet in the middle of nowhere. I am thrilled to the moon to have this finally a part of my entourage with the bus, and I honestly can't wait to be able to use this. And I'm probably going to upload this video with this internet, so I don't have to go to the coffee shop or upload them at work anymore, which is amazing. Alright guys, finally got it set up. It's one of the easiest things and the easiest pieces of technology I think that I own. The fact that it's plug and play, you just set it up, it searches for the satellites themselves. So, and the fact that I can get internet relatively anywhere now. So, really excited. Really excited that I have this, and I feel independent in that sense, and I can basically take it anywhere. But with that being said, I'm gonna leave it right here. Like, share, subscribe as always, and we'll see you next time. Bye.